Farley, what'd you do? What'd you do, bud? Look at your feet.
Ready?
You walk in the swamp?
And this is training Farley to catch the ball.
Yeah. What ball? Back in the swamp?
Oh no, no.
Back in the swamp. Yep. Look at his back end. He looks like he's stepped in a bucket of paint. Oh, more mud.